Hey Trace, how's everyone going? So this is the watch list. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit late on this. Interesting on WATT. Now, I know NASDAQ stocks I've traded before, but I do so have a tendency to want to trade low float sort of OTC stuff, but we'll see on this LTBR. And I had a question from a viewer about holding this, and I hope he still is holding it. If it is, I mean, it's looking pretty. What did it close out at? $1.50. So you got more patience than I do if you're still holding this one, man. But it looks not too bad. Bitcoin down a little bit as well, just to get that out of the way. Let's get the Bitcoin wisdom chart. Internet connection it's 80% there. It's not sweet, but we'll just see Bitcoin, see what it's doing, because obviously this fuels a few plays at 14,000. That's what it's doing. As low as ticket is 9,000. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's what that currently. It's recovered. I mean, you could draw a trend line there. It's probably bounced off that. You could say things are real laggy though. I'm not gonna. If I've got that chart up and I've got the stocks to trade chart up as well, I'm getting quicker internet in April, so realistically, that's when I'll open up the live account. I'm not really confident to have things running when it's very unreliable and inconsistent. Alright, so we've got LINU. What's the volume on WATT? Pretty good. I mean, if you get clearance in billion-dollar markets, could make Bitcoin better buy than. Oh, sorry. Bio City, BTCY. Hell. Alright, so we've got some FCC approvals for Adrenas Corporation. Is that this? Okay, so that's what it is, even though it's WATT. Interesting. Alright, so this is moving pretty well. I mean, you could say a dip buy. Again, I don't have much experience trading these high price stocks, so we'll see. I mean, how was it yesterday? It's how it moved yesterday, so it's not. Yeah, there's no panic there, but it is up a little bit as well, more so than it was. See, this is interesting. If you could hold sideways and then collapse down and have a bounce, we'll see. I mean, we're talking levels. 24 good, or maybe even down here. 21. We'll see. It's probably not going to do that. I mean, just seeing how it behaves normally. Let's see a 3-month chart. I've got like crazy, curly hair. It's like redhead Albert Einstein. Maybe not Albert Einstein. Sorry, I didn't really have much dinner either. I sort of finished work, did a podcast, Trade Talk with Pen and Easy, more Forex based, and then bam, onto this. So, apologize if I'm not really with the program. There's not like a lot of volume though. I mean, we'll see LINU. Just looking at this LBTR, not really. I'm going to close that down. ABWN. I traded this one last night with a dip buy. No recent news. We'll see though. It wasn't really spectacular. IGC. This is what Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, penny stock style plays do, guys. Like they move for a day and then they're done, and then there's something else going on. So that's something you need to consider. If you're holding a position for a while, it's not going to do a lot for a while. Like that's just the nature of how those stocks behave. So you just look at the chart for a year and see there's a tiny microscopic proportion of movements happen all together, and then it does nothing. That's why Tim's all about intraday sort of trading. We'll get up LINU. I know I'm pressed for time as well, and I apologize for the lateness of the video. I finished work at 7:30. I got out of work at 7:20. Got home, dinner, podcast. The podcast is also where he's my the gentleman I do the podcast with is my trading accountability buddy. So we go through what trades I've done with Forex, and it's very systematic, and you've got to really have rules in place because trading is a free-for-all. So What's going on here? We've got some results or something. Let's see if it wants to load up. It might not. The internet's. I know I say this a lot, guys. I apologize, but this is what I'm working with here. So if things are lagging slow, it's not ideal. But you can still trade. You can still trade. Look, I'm in Perth. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Work today. This and that. Earnings. Is that what it was? Technologically equal to 1H results. EPS of 48 cents. Okay, interesting. We'll see how the markets react to that. So, I mean, they're up a little bit, and the volume isn't too bad. So this will be one I might watch. WATT, we're watching as well. I'm just going to keep it for that now. I mean, DRAD. I like to keep these to 5 minutes as well, so I'm just going to conclude things after this. And that's a sale up. Okay, so there's no like Bitcoin mania plays, MGTI. These guys are in Bitcoin mining. John McAfee. That was a good pump up. Pump up. I could see this going to $10. I mean, quickly, and then back down again. But then he sells his position. But we'll see. Look. Not a lot to talk about here, really. Not a lot to talk about. Anyway, guys, I'm going to conclude this video. Might need to watch this one as well. That's on YouTube. That's free. And thank you for watching. So, watch list is LINU. And the play on that one is a little challenging because it's been doing nothing for a long time. I'd like to see a little bit of basing, consolidation, maybe a breakout for a bit of a uptrend. WATT. If we go to the 2-day, I'm going to do live trading as well. I am going to do live trading. I hope that helps, guys. I'll be doing that. Oh, that's a nice spiker type candle. That's taken out stops. That's painful for people. Although I don't know why you'd run with stop losses pre-market stuff. We'll see on this. I mean, if it consolidates and it could push higher, because that's how things have been going. Are they talking Bitcoin? We'll see. We'll see on this one. And MGT, I'm going to close that down. DRAD, again, might be an uptrending chart. We'll see. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Good luck and happy trading. Bye for now.